took center stage. Dublin now has come of age. Dublin's true philosophy is build a strong community, and yes, our attitude is green. We planned and worked and made this dream. Shamrock Green and Irish bold, the Celtic story will be told. 200 years and growing strong, 200 years lives on and on. Parks and schools and sights to see, business, homes and family. Dublin town delights the eye, from Tullymore to Muirfield Drive. Bridges, sculptures everywhere, fill the streets and fill the air. Music, art and dance and song, be a part and sing along. Shamrock Green and Irish bold, the Celtic story will be told. 200 years and going strong, 200 years lives on and on. Many stories will be told, our city boasts 2 centuries old. Roundabouts and walls of stone, welcome to our Dublin home.